Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make collection page image full width in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I'm going to any collection page. For example, click on all collections, then go to the 100% pure cotton collections. You can see that the collection page banner image is small or half, and we wanted to make this image full width. Okay, to do this, first of all you have to go to in my website e-commerce thesis, where I have already published an article about how to make collection page image full width in Shopify, and I will share this article link in the video description, so you don't have to worry about that. Just click on here to copy the code snippet, all the code snippet in here, so you don't have to write any single code. Then go back your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Simply click on the online store, click in this three dot icon, edit code, and search base, open base.css file, go to the bottom of this file and paste all the code in here. Click on the paste that you have copied from here, then click on the save. We have done. Asset save. Now go back my Shopify online store collection page, reload. Wow, we have done. You can see that the collection page is full width right now. So I hope you understand everything very easily and quickly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.